How old is your heart? If you are 40 years old, you assume your heart is 40 years old, too. In fact, your heart might be older or younger than your age. If you inherited a strong, healthy heart and you have treated your heart with care, your ticker might behave as if it's 5, 10, 15, or even 20 years younger than your age. On the other hand, if you inherited a struggle with heart disease and you have fed your heart a steady diet of stress, toxins, and junk food, your heart might be much older than your physical age. And the amazing news is this: by changing your lifestyle, you really can grow younger, healthier, and happier. Is coffee truly a foe for those at risk of heart disease? For years, coffee was cautioned against for those at risk of heart disease. However, without cream and artificial sweeteners, coffee can be surprisingly healthy. Despite containing caffeine, a cup of dark roasted java may even lower blood pressure, thanks to its polyphenol, which offer protection against disease. There's no need to give up coffee if you enjoy it, but moderation is key. If you experience racing heartbeats or jitteriness, it's essential to listen to your body and consider skipping it. Research suggests limit your coffee intake to 4 8-ounce cups a day for a longer life. Did you know that every year, a staggering 68 million metric tons of sugary drinks are consumed worldwide, making them a significant culprit in health issues? Research spanning over 2 decades links sugary drink consumption to a higher risk of heart disease, contributing to plaque formation and inflammation in arteries, as well as poor oral health. These beverages fail to satisfy hunger cues like solid food does, leading to overeating and weight gain. But fear not, there's a better beverage in town: tea. Skip the sugary drinks and opt for tea instead for better heart health. Replace sugary beverages like soda with tea to save calories and cut down on sugar intake. Say goodbye to sugar overload and hello to a healthier you with every sip. Ready to give your heart a healthy boost with tea. Unlike soft drinks, derives from plants and is packed with flavonoids that combat oxidation in the body. Green tea stands out as a top source of catechins, potent antioxidants. Studies reveal catechins' superiority over vitamins C and E. Green, black, and oolong teas contribute to heart health by preventing LDL cholesterol oxidation, improving lipid profiles, inhibiting dietary cholesterol absorption, regulating blood sugar, and reducing inflammation. Research indicates a significant decrease in heart disease risk among those consuming 6 cups of tea daily compared to 1 or fewer. Moreover, nations with higher tea consumption boast lower rates of type 2 diabetes.